Hi, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to unbox HIKVISION DS-2CD2621G0-I. It is a 2MP WDR Varifocal bullet network camera. Key features are high-quality imaging 2MP resolution, efficient H265 plus compression technology, clear imaging against strong backlight due to 120 decibels true WDR technology, water and dust resistant IP67, robust structure design with full metal materials. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll get updated every time we post a video.